Hey guys, it's Rich
and Brandon. We're your friends here at Palm Harbor Homes in Abilene, and we have found your house so you can stop looking.
We're standing here today at the Vintage Farmhouse, and we're going to show it off to you.
First thing you see when you walk into the Vintage Farmhouse is you look down. The flooring catches your eye. It is hand-laid polyurethane tiles. They are tough, and they are warranted for 25 years. Tough. It also hides dirt. Welcome to West Texas. When you look up, you'll see the coffered ceiling. It is raised, and then you have beams in the middle. It's a very expensive upgrade when we add it to anything, but it comes standard in this home. If you look behind me, the last thing that'll really catch your eye is this gorgeous fireplace. It's all electric. You have the flames that you can change color, as well as the rocks below. It puts out heat, and then if you direct your attention right up here, this is an amazing little thing. When we set up your TV, you can hook the wire right here, the cable, and just pull it through. It's super easy to set up. So now I'm here in the breakfast nook, and if you look inside, it's just a perfect little cozy spot. But what I really want to point out is the windows. So they're dual pane vinyl windows. They're energy efficient in the sun. When it beats down on the outside pane, it heats up that barrier. The barrier then transmits a little bit of heat inside. It's been over 100 degrees lately, and you can put your hand on our windows just fine. Also, you have cordless blinds. So these are down all the way. They're 2 inches, and it's all about safety. You just pull them up where you want them, and you can see the perfect view.
Hey guys, I'm standing here in front of the charging bar, or coffee bar, whatever you choose to call it. You got your coffee set up here in the morning, get yourself ready to go. And hey, over here you got your USB ports. You're charged, your phones are charged, your devices are charged, ready to go.
All right, let me show you this fantastic kitchen here in the farmhouse. You've got all stainless steel appliances. Your stove is a glass cooktop. Ceramic tile backsplash all the way to the ceiling. You've got your glass and stainless steel vent hood. Over here on your dishwasher, this right here is going to save you some money on your water bill by not doing your dishes by hand, and also going to save you on the hot water usage. It's going to use less water and less electricity.
Large island, plenty of room to spread out and cook. Large drawers, good solid wooden cabinets with it's very well built. Got your microwave down here. Safety features. You're better off picking things up hot than grabbing them from up above. Also saving on your counter space by having to place a microwave like people used to have to do. Stainless steel fridge. You notice you got your water and ice in the door. This is a Whirlpool appliance. Comes with a 5-year warranty. All of your appliances have that 5-year warranty. If you wind up losing your fridge and you lose food, Whirlpool's going to cover up to $300 of your content and replace the fridge. Who does that?
So we're here in the master bedroom now. So if you look right above the bed here, you have a large transom window, which is going to let in a ton of natural light. It also allows you to arrange your furniture however you want. Right down here, you can see the baseboards. They're standard throughout the home, so it's going to protect it. If you go to vacuum it and hit it, it's not going to hit your wall. And then right above, you've got the molding that goes around standard as well. Now, the home is beautifully painted. The accent walls, everything comes standard. But behind that paint is 1/2-inch drywall. So it's going to make it more sturdy, and it gives you a lot more soundproofing.
Hey guys, here in the master bath. I want to point out a few things that really make this bathroom really elegant and unique. You got your, of course, dual channel lavies. You got your ceramic backsplash with these lighted mirrors. Really add a lot to this feature of the home.
Great walk-in shower, plenty of room. You can get ready, get all cleaned up. And then, ladies, your guy's making a mess. You don't want to be around that when you're getting ready, putting your makeup on in the morning. You got a great Vanity here. Get ready, and
he is out of your way. Now we're here in the utility room. Fantastic, plenty of room. One of the most important things, you've got 200 amp service coming into the house. Got your breaker box right here. You could have somebody doing laundry, cooking, doing the dishes, and people in both bathrooms. You're not gonna have to worry about anything tripping on your breakers, okay?
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Vintage Farmhouse. The one we're looking at right now is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 32 by 64. It also comes in a bigger configuration, 32 by 76, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-living area.
So come see us or get a hold of us today. Palm Harbor Homes in Abilene, Texas. Our phone number is 325-676-9700.
High five.